Why do we ride? Riding a motorcycle gives the ultimate freedom of enjoying the open roads. For a rider, it is most important thing to have a good relationship with the bike, and you should have to understand what she wants. Whether you're riding your motorcycle alone or with someone at your back, being on a road is thrilling and leaves you exhilarated and pumped up all the time. Unlike being inside a car, you have the opportunity to feel the chilling breeze touching your skin while going full speed. For a rider, it is an unconditional love and passion, and it's a marriage between the rider and the motorcycle. It gives you good views of your surroundings, gives you the opportunity to stop at your own convenience and enjoy the stunning view before you. We enjoy going on motorcycle trips, riding through small lanes, through small towns, and enjoying the drinks with the locals and with your pals, and adventuring all the terrain. So if you want to be happy for a day, do drink. If you want to be happy for a year, please get married. And if you want to be happy for a lifetime, ride a motorcycle. Being on a stage and on a motorcycle are the two only places I feel free and comfortable. This is because you are alone and you have control over your things and your motorcycle. For a rider, there is no gender. There is no